Hey everyone, if your Azar account has been suspended, don't panic. There is a way to try and get it back. The main thing you'll need to do is reach out to their support team directly. Start by heading over to the Azar Help Center. You can find it at helplive.com. Once the page loads, take a look at the search bar at the top. You might want to type in something like account suspension, just to see if there's any helpful info waiting for you. It's always worth checking. If nothing there answers your question, scroll down until you find the option to submit a request or contact us. Tap on that. From the list of categories, choose Account. That's where you'll want to be since this is related to your account status. Next, you'll need to pick a more specific issue. If you don't see suspension listed, just go with Other Account Issue that works just fine. Now you'll be asked to fill in a few details. Have your registered email address ready, along with your Azar ID or the phone number tied to your account. In the description box, give a brief explanation of what happened. Keep it clear and straightforward. Once everything looks good, hit the green Submit button at the bottom. After that, keep an eye on your email inbox. The support team will get back to you there with updates on your account. And that's really all there is to it. It's not instant, but it's the only way to get the process started. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Catch you in the next one.